Keyboard Kingpin here. Just wanted to show you guys how to sync up the TR-606 with the MSQ-100 and then use your DAW, your digital audio workstation. I'm running Reason right here. You can sync this up to the 606 with a DIN sync. So put this on your 606, put it on input to receive signal from a DIN sync cable. Make sure you have an actual DIN sync cable, not a MIDI cable. I have a legit Roland DIN sync cable right here. And that's running over here to this guy into your MSQ-100. Put that on your sync out. And then you have your MIDI input coming in from your computer. So my computer interface with MIDI is shooting into the MSQ-100, and then we put it on MIDI for the clock tempo, and then you know, I like to keep mine with the repeat play on, and then make sure that's on load play setting. Yeah, guys, it might take you a minute. Sometimes you have to restart the machine and screw around with both of them, because I was having troubles at first, and then finally, I don't know what I did. I hit something, right? And boom, we're going. And I feel like I didn't really hit anything, but anyway. So that's just a quick little, this is just a quick little demo showing you guys how to sync those up, because trying to mod this guy right here can be, you know, kind of expensive, and if you're like me, you get nervous messing with the circuits on these things. So easier solution, guys, just run your MIDI input to this and you're solid. But you guys want to see if it syncs up? Let's check it out real quick. So I'm not going to touch either of these. I'm going to come over here. Let's see here, go over here to the play, make sure it's all rewound. Let's see what it sounds like. Ready? There we go. You see it going, and you can hear the metronome. You hear that? The metronome, you could turn it low, high, or off, but anyway, you can hear that. It's all synced up perfectly. And the cool thing is about this too is I can stop it on here. I can stop it on my DAW and I can just go, you know, switch it over here to write, and then I can also, you know, write and edit the beat. Now I have to use my DAW in order to start it. It will not start, like if you hit start, it will not start on its own. You got to have your digital audio workstation started, because that's what it's set on right now, to receive signal. But anyway, guys, that's how you do it. Just wanted to show you. If you guys are having any problems with it, just leave a comment in the description. I'll try to help you out. Like I said, it was kind of confusing at first, but I mean, it seems basic. It seems simple in theory, right? So anyway, guys, leave a comment. Keyboard Kingpin. We'll talk to you later.